Hello, everyone. Okay, we're going to quickly go over how you can set up live polling at your event. So live polling is done through our survey function. These are the instructions that you'll give. So you'll basically set up your survey questions. And to do that, I'll go to surveys here. So ignore this Mosio admin stuff for just a second, but this is the survey that we have for, about the Beatles. These are the questions. Now in another video, I show you how to set up the survey, so I won't go over that. But effectively, what you're going to do is to show the results. You're going to click on graphs, but you're going to launch that into a new tab. So I've done that. I'll go back here for just a second. To launch your presentation view so that people can ask questions, you're going to click on presentation view, and that will open in a new tab as well. So at your event, this is the part that you'll have that shows up on the screen. This is the part that you'll have that that's where you receive and moderate questions. So this will be on it could be the same computer, but it might be a different computer. But this would be showing on your computer, and this is what you would have projected up onto the screen. I'll show you here. This is a new question. I clicked it here, and it popped up. I'll uncheck it for that. So what you'll do is when you go through your normal Q&A, you'll have people text in their questions that way. Then when either before the event or even during, if you want, you'll give them the instructions, text survey. This is to your virtual number, and this is a different one for ours for this particular demo. And then they'll take the survey questions. So what you'll do is you'll set up your survey. They'll go through all the questions and they'll answer them. They'll even get a thank you so much for completing the survey /poll. And then what you'll do is when you're in your presentation view, before your event starts, you'll want to set up you'll click on that graphs, and I'll just show you again really quickly. So here I'm in the surveys. I click on graphs, but I open that in a new tab. And so I'll just move this out of the way. So what you'll have is you'll have this set up on one computer. You'll have this in up on the presentation mode from the projector. And then you'll also have your results, your graphs there as well. So after everyone has completed that survey, if you want to start showing people the results that they have for that particular poll, then you'd go here and you'd say, as you can see in question number 1, we have 54 users out of the 74 that love the Beatles and 20 that do not. The second question, you could just use the scroll there. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you love the Beatles? You have all the results that are there. Again, you scroll down to the next question, which Beatle is your favorite? And then what is your favorite band of all time? And that was a free response question, so you could see those there. So that's how you're able to show polling results at your event. Basically use the graphs function within the surveys, and you're able to do that. We are making updates to the UI and to the presentation mode there, but this gets it done so that you can have people taking the survey or /poll at the beginning or during your event, and then show those results up on the screen. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you so much for your interest in Mosio Q&A, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Take care.